Hi, I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas decorations with your kids. So we're going to use some icy-pole sticks to make these cute little decorations. So we've got a snowman, we've got reindeer, we've got Santas, and we've also got a little Christmas tree. And they're so much fun to make. For this project, you will need a drop sheet, some icy-pole sticks, a pencil, paper and scissors, some craft glue, craft paint and brushes, some glitter glue, and some decorations. Because we're using paint, I'm going to protect the table, so I'm just going to bring this drop sheet over. If you don't have a drop sheet at home, you can always use an old sheet or even some newspaper to protect your table. The first thing we're going to do is make this cute little Christmas tree. So we're just going to line up the popsicle sticks. Just going to grab our pencil and mark out the Christmas tree. The markings get a little bit wider, so then we eventually get the shape of our Christmas tree. So now that we've marked out our little Christmas tree, just going to grab some scissors and start cutting out the shape. So this part can be a little bit tricky, so you might want to grab a grown-up to give you a hand. So now that we've finished cutting out all our branches, I'm going to grab another icy-pole stick as the trunk of the tree and then pop the branches on. I'm going to use a craft glue because that's the best sort of glue to use when you're doing projects with kids. So looking at our little tree that we have here, we've left enough room just for the star to go on the top, so we're going to do the same on our new one. Don't be worried if you get too much glue onto your trunk. It will dry clear and we're going to paint it anyway. Place and then press. And then just hold for a little bit, just so it grabs. So now I'm just going to set that one aside and go on to the other shapes. I'm now going to make my Santa and my reindeer. For the Santa, I have 4 icy-pole sticks. To stick them together in a row, I've used glue and backing paper. Taking some paper, cutting out the shapes that will correspond with the shape of the paddle pop sticks. And it's time to get gluing. So now I'm just going to place the paddle pop sticks down on the backing paper, just making sure they're nice and straight. And smooth it all over because it'll dry clear. When the glue dries, we're actually going to trim that away. Now that the glue's dried, it's the fun part. Let's get painting. So the first one I'm going to do is the reindeer. It's now time to do Santa's face, so I'm mixing some pink and white together to give him that rosy look. My last shape is my Christmas tree. I'm painting it blue, but you can use any colour you like. So now that the paint's dry, it's time to get decorating. Our little Christmas tree has a little bit of a shimmer. We've done that by using some glitter glue. For our reindeer, I've cut out some antlers and lastly his nose. For the last step, we just need to make some ties to stick on our ornaments so that we can put it on the tree. So I've just made a little knot. Pop it onto the back so it makes it nice and secure so you can hang it on your tree. So there you have it, a fun project to do for this Christmas with your kids.